Yeah, welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. So now, last few classes we have seen about how to install Jenkins and also what is Jenkins and what is the use of Jenkins and also what is CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. So where we have used, what are the terminologies and what are the plugins, everything we have seen. We have discussed all together and also later. So also we have installed Jenkins on Windows machine and also Ubuntu. Okay, so now we'll see how what are the options. Okay, what are the options are there? What is Jenkins? What is the dashboard of Jenkins? Oh, what is jobs and all? So we'll see one by one. So how to create the jobs and all? We are going to use this in this class. Okay. So let me get into topic. Hi Ashwant. Okay, my mic is not working. Heshan, just second, 1 second. My mic is not working properly. Heshwant, can you hear me? Now. So it is showing mic is not working. Okay, fine. So yeah, so we are going to. So we have seen two ways how to create the Jenkins, how to install Jenkins on two different ways, right? So yeah, so let me use this public key. You can see the screen, right? Okay. So this is Jenkins dashboard. So this is Jenkins overview of the dashboard. So now we are going to create a jobs, how to create the jobs. We are going to discuss how to create the jobs. Okay. And all we'll see one by one. Okay. Just give me 1 second. So before going to create, I just would like to tell you some more information about Jenkins. See this, guys. So first is new item. You see this new item. Okay, new item or job. Okay, project. Okay, or item, anything. So these three terminals are same. Create project, create job, create item, all are same. So here you can see new item. New item, if you click on this, you can able to create the job. Okay, so what is job? Okay, what is job? For example, you have to build. Okay, you have to build a code. If you want to build a code using Maven plugin, first of all you have to create it. Okay, you have to create a job first, right? You have to create a job. So then you have to uh, plugin Maven. In that you have to use GitHub, Git link. Okay. After that, you have to, after completion of all this process, you just simply create a job mentioned. After creating job, you will build it. Okay. Once you do it, so this entire code will build. So then only you will get success or fail result. Understood? For that you have to create it, right? That is what, to create the job. So new item is there for new one. Okay. So build history, whatever you builded. So you understood, whatever you builded, whether it is success or whether it is failed. This history you can see here. Understood? So manage Jenkins. What is manage Jenkins? So using this manage Jenkins, so for example, in your mobile phones also, so you can see options manage your applications, whatever applications you have mentioned, so maybe installed, so that you can manage those applications by using settings, right? Correct? So this is a kind of that. It's a kind of settings. You can manage Jenkins by using this. It's a kind of gear icon also you can see. So there are a lot of settings will be there. There are a lot of options are there. Like whatever requirement based on requirement, you can use this option. Okay, and views. Okay, and also earlier we used to see profile. Okay, earlier we used to have an option called profile. So but that got people, sorry, profile, not profile, it's people, POPLE, people means how many people are there, admin, so like that, whatever roles we have created in this also we had a roles, so those roles we used to see in this dashboard people, but not sure why they have removed, maybe this removed, that's okay. So and build queue, what is build queue? In this build queue, so for example I have 5 projects or 5 jobs. Okay, if I use name called project, job or item, anything, all are same. Okay, in this Jenkins. Okay, for example I have 5 jobs. So in Jenkins by default 2 jobs can run at a time only, but 3 will be pending, right? These 3 will be whatever pending remaining will be in a queue, that is called as build queue. After finishing these 2 jobs, it will go again 2 and 1 will be pending. So that will queue will be there in this. That queue you can able to see. Whatever pending is there, you can see in this build queue. Okay. So executed one. Okay. Executed one. Already executed. You can see last 2 executed builds. You see here. And also, for example, if it is running, you can also see here while if it is running. You understood? So this is all about here. So next you can see once again. Okay. So next you see here options, create a job. So we can create a job from here, right? So these are all options. Okay. Let's try to create a job. Okay, new item. See this, guys. Earlier when I was using at that time, starting when I was learning this Jenkins, different options, different kind of colors, but it is, I don't know Jenkins why they have used, why they have changed. This icons has been changed. Okay, this icon has been changed. Pipeline, this colors also changed. I don't know why. This is looking very dull. Okay, earlier it was like complete colorful. Now I don't know why. Fine. So, dude, what I'm trying to say is create a job, in the sense we are going to create a job item. Okay. So in this job, maybe if it is related map, and maybe if it is related Java, maybe if it is related SonarQube, anything. So we can use job creation for that project. Okay. What is this freestyle job? What is the meaning of freestyle job? This is for testing purpose we can use. If you don't have anything pipelines and all, okay, simply just want to create a job, you can use freestyle job. Okay, for example, your project is big one. You have an integration pipeline. Okay, for that pipeline you can choose pipeline option, this one. Okay, so if it is multi-configuration project, you can use this. Okay, and this is for folder. Create container that sources nested items, nested, you know that, right? Nested kind of. So those kind of, if you have that kind of, you can choose this. Okay, multi-branch pipeline. So using source code management like Git. So these options according to your requirement you can use. But initially we are creating a small jobs. So that's why we are going to use freestyle project. Correct? right? So now I'm going to create a job 1. Okay, job 1. So I'm going to select freestyle, right? Now it got thick blue. Okay, see this, right? So there are options. You can see the options once after clicking the OK. So description, what is project related? If it is a big project or the project related, what you are going to do is you can give here description. Okay, details you mention here. Okay, so initially, so while you are Yashwant, while we are installing Jenkins plugins, at the time I have shown you, right? At the time I have shown you Git, right? That was default. This Git, right? That Git is default. This Git will get automatically. So this is default for you. So this Git is fine. So if it is source code management, for example, you have a code in that Git, you have to choose here, and that whatever URLs are there, you have to mention your URLs and also branches also. If it is master branch or main branch, whatever the branches, it will show. You have to mention here. But I don't know. I'm not using any repository URLs. Okay, so I'm just simply using creating simple bash files. Okay, so these are all I'm going to avoid so far. Okay, now what I will do is I will use this options. Okay, so not this, once again, build. What kind of build I have to do? So here if you see, so I will use execute shell. You can use batch commands, you can use shell, you can invoke ant, invoke top level maven targets. Okay, these are all, you see this. So for Windows, for example, I'm going to use this. Okay, for example, I'm going to use bash. Okay, so mine is machine is Ubuntu, right? So for example, yes, I will take shell. For example, I will use echo AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. So this is what I have given. Okay, so whether it is right or wrong doesn't matter. So when we will get to know that in after building. So I'm going to save this. Okay, and apply. Okay, so job 1, I'm going for job 1. So I did not click on apply. So let me go back to dashboard. See this job 1. So I did not save it. So let me open again. One second. I'll go back to the dashboard. Here, if you see, I'm going to explain details more about this. So here, if you see, S, W, name, last success, last failure, last duration, and build. So these are all there. Okay, what is this? Okay, if you create it after creating job, okay, it will show green. So this is weather. What is S means? S means status. W means weather. Okay, this is weather. If it is fully sunny, it is succeeded. For example, 3 builds are there. Build is success. Okay, fine. For example, you have run 3 times. You have run the same job for 3 times. You got only 1 time success, 2 time fail. At that time, it will show partially sun and cloud. Okay, it is failed for 3 times. 3 times failure. So it will show cloud. Cloud is not like this. You can show like this. Okay, anything. So it will show like this. This is name. This is name of the job. Okay, last success. Because we didn't run this, that's why it doesn't show any time. Last failures. If it fails, So it will show failure time. Last duration, how much time that build got run. So that duration it will show. Okay. So next one is build. This is build. So this is build icon. Okay. You can use build icon. And also you can build from different ways. Okay. So that I will show. And again, I will show some options here. Job. You can configure. So changes you can see here. Workspace you can see. Build now, you can build it now. You can build now from here itself. You can build by clicking on this icon also you can build. Okay. For example, you have to change your job name. Yes, you can change your job name from here itself. Okay. So like this. So the same current name it is showing. That's why it is not taking. So here again I just want to, last time what happened, so I did not apply it, right, Yashwant? So now I am going to apply by using configure. See this again, it has opened same page, right? So I am going to apply. Okay, I am going to apply. Yes, applied. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, configure. Whenever you want to do the changes, then you can click on configure, save. Okay, go to dashboard. Okay, so this is options. Okay, so I just want to configure. How? So can I click on this? See here, schedule a build for a job. If you want to build, you can also build from here. I clicked on this, build now. You see here. Okay, I want to refresh. See this, what you got here? After building, what you got here? So green tick you got, right? So last success 7.1 seconds. Failure, no failure, which means this build got succeeded. If it fails, it will calculate. Last duration this much. You understood? So then next C, where is build details? Where is build details? Build history. Okay, you see here. You got it? Else, if you want to go, you want to click, you can click here itself. You click it, click on the job, right? So after clicking job, see here, it is a green mark. Can you see here? One second. This is green mark. If it is fails, it will show red color, which means failed. Okay. So it is green color in the sense you got succeeded with the build. Okay. So here in this, after clicking on job name there, dashboard, so you can come here, status you can see, changes, workspace, build, configure, delete project, rename. So these options you can see. Alright. So okay, fine. I want to see the result of build. So where I have to see? So simply you should click on this. Okay, you will get console output. You see this? Okay, so in this, if you see, started by user, this is username, running as a system, building in workspace, this is the path, where this build happened, with which file, location, in our local space, where library, Jenkins workspace, job 1 got created. For example, if I use this path, so I'll go to there. Okay, cat or cd. I will use cd. Then path is there, right? Okay, so directories are there. See this? Job 1 got created. I want to go a little bit back. Okay, ls. See this? Job 1 created. How I got job? Yashwant, I only created, right? I only created this job in Jenkins. Yeah, through Jenkins. So this is what you can see there. For example, if I create a job 2, so in the same location, job 2 will be created. Whatever the project name you keep, that project name it will store in that place. This path, where libraries, Jenkins workspace. Okay. So then next, what is this? See this? This is the building data code, which means this is a code. Okay, just I used only simple command, but we do have a lot of code, right? That code you can see here in this job one. What is there in this? Which means job one means in job one. So this is directory so and so. So in this you have executed this command, which means this is a code. Okay, for developers this is a code. Okay, what is the output? Output of this is output. Okay, finished is success. If it is fails, you will get failure. Okay, you can see the build output like this. Okay, understood? So again, so I'll go to dashboard once again. I'll go to dashboard. See here, you will get navigation. So see here, what is this? Description, build stability. No recent build failed. You see this, right? No recent build failed. If it is fails, it will show. Okay, I want to make it failure build. I will create another job. Okay, let me create new job. Okay, job 2. Okay, freestyle. Okay, and here earlier you did not get this option. Have you observed that? You did not get this option, but you got this option because this is second one. Okay, in this option, whatever the previous commands you have used, previous code you have used, this is asking that should I copy the same one? Should I copy the same one? It is asking. Okay, if you want same code, same kind of that, you can use this. That will, whatever we have mentioned in the job, that will be applicable to second job as well. That is what it will happen. Okay, so for example, I will click here. Okay, yes or not. So I don't want use this. Okay, copy from job one means you can mention job one like this. So entire thing, so everything, I want to show this option for you too. That's why I'm mentioning this. So whatever job 2, job 1 has specification, all those specifications will apply to this job 2 as well. Apply and save. Okay, go to dashboard, job 2, just simply build it. Okay, this build you could not able to see because very small build, small kind of command is that, so that's why you could not able to see. If it is a big one, big code, that code you can able to see here while building. Okay, you see the building history. See job 2. Okay, job 2 got succeeded. Is it correct? Filter. Okay, so changes workspace. So let's see this. This is job 2 workspace. Status. This is the status. I want console. If I want to console, I have to go here. Let's click on this. So this is console. Again succeeded. So now I will again I'll show you one more thing. So in this, after clicking on this console, you can see other options. See this download. Whatever you builded that, if you want the details, you can able to download as well. If you want copy, you can also copy that. If you want it as a plain text, you can take it as plain text, because you as a DevOps engineer, your work is to build the entire code. Okay, after getting the result, if it gets success or fail, it doesn't matter, but after building the code, you have to report to your team, development team. So that is the reason this is the best option to take. So download the entire the code, builded details. Okay, whatever console output is there, that console output you can able to download, you can able to copy, you can able to take it as a plain text for reporting. You understood? So this is what we will do in companies. So again, so we will create other job. Okay, so job 3. Okay, so this job 3 I am going to select a freestyle project. Okay, so I don't want to take it from anything, so I want only a fresh job 3. So I'm going to keep here, this is job 3 project. So these details are important when you have a lot of jobs. Okay, so you keep here, take shell script. You can use echo echo, right? I will take wrong one. My name is Lokesh Kumar. Okay, this is what I'm going to use. Apply and save. Okay, I have created third job also. Let me try to run this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to build. See this? Build. Let me refresh this. What happened? You see this? So build got failed. So you simply identify with the color and indication sign cross mark. This is failed. This build has been failed, and also you can see that see this here. If you see, earlier it was fully sunny, right? But now half cloud, half sunny. Okay, let me try to run the same only without editing. Let me check, cross check again. Okay, again I will run. Okay, build scheduler. Okay, let me refresh again. So you will get history details. See how many times I have run job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times job got failed. You understood? So this job has continuously failing. Okay, if you click on this job, so you will get console, right? So this is what the system entire code is there. It will show the code also, right? The finished output is failure. Got it? So currently where you are, how much build? 9th build. Okay, this will be calculate everything. Okay, see here, you see entire builds also. See here how many builds, recent builds, it will show all builds. Okay, so next you see here this build completely failed. See here, last failure is 9th one. Okay, ninth one is failed. Okay, so if build gets success, how many one? First one got only success. It is showing that first one is success. If it is fail, 9th one is failed. How many? This much time back. Okay, if you refresh it, it will update. Okay, 17 minutes. Anyways, 17 minutes or milliseconds, not sure. Anyways, it's okay. Right, you understood my views. Okay, in my views you can see entire the same options. Okay, manage Jenkins. What is manage Jenkins? In manage Jenkins you can see entire tools. Okay, settings. See here in manage Jenkins you see here system, configure global settings and paths. This related, if you want to do settings related to paths, you should come here. Tools, configure tools, their locations and automatic installs related to here, you should come here. Plugins, you want to add one more plugin, new plugin, you should come here. Okay, nodes, you know what is node? Master. Jenkins act as a master. Okay, so jobs, comes under nodes. So add, remove, control, all these things available here. So various nodes that Jenkins run jobs, so you should come here. Related to clouds, add, remove, config related, all this comes. Appearance, your view of your dashboard also, you can come here. Understood? So plugins, if you want to go, you can go plugins. No updates available, right? So fine. So now I want to search here Maven. Nothing is there, right? So let me go back to the manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Okay. Click on here. See here, what is this? What are things are available? Where library Jenkins. So paths. If you want to change the paths, you can change from here itself. You see this? Where did you find this, Yashwant? This is our, yes, we are, by using this only, we are able to accessing. Okay. So all these details in this. Okay. If you want to change, that is the reason Jenkins is a framework. Because you can do whatever you want to changes, you can do that. Understood? So far I don't want to touch anything. So these tools, what are the options are there in tools? You see, default setting providers, Git related information. Okay, Gradle, something if you want to add, you can add Maven. See here Maven, if you want to use, you can use Maven versions. Okay, you can use Maven also. You can use like this. Okay, tools you can mention here from here. Understood? And go back to the manage Jenkins. 1 second. Manage Jenkins. Okay. Right. Plugins. What are the plugins are there? Installed plugins. Okay. This is updates. Okay. This is available plugins. Available plugins. For example, I want Sonar Cube. Sonar. See, you have a Sonar Cube scanner. I want. So whenever you want this, you just simply click on this and you have to install. If you install it, it will download and it will attach with the Jenkins. You understood? Okay. For example, if I install this, see this, successfully done. It is installing. And whenever you used, I have shown you, right, in tools. So Solar Cube not seen last whenever I shown you. Git you have seen, Maven, these are all I have shown you, right? So successfully done. Go back to the top page. Okay, so go to the manage Jenkins. Right. So in this tools, you did not see Sonar Cube. Now see this. Sonar Cube scanner is installation got. You got it. Add Sonar Cube. Yes. Whenever you want to use Sonar Cube at that time, you can use this Sonar Cube. While you are using pipelines, adding jobs and all at that time. So Sonar Cube related code, whatever is there, at that time you can mention here. If for example, if you want to build something which is there in Git, so you can mention Git tool. Okay, Java related, you can mention Java development kit here. Okay, Maven related Maven. So like this, whatever tools are there, that tools, that plugins, if you install, that plugins will be invoked into your Jenkins. Understood? Okay, like that. So same way nodes related, master node. Okay, build a node. So master node slaves we can able to configure from here itself. Next, clouds. See, install a plugin. Okay. So what are Docker, Kubernetes, all these things from here itself. Next, appearance of Jenkins look like your wish. If you want dark, you will get dark. And if you want colorful, you can also use colorful. Default, you can use default. Dark system, dark, like this. You can make it whatever you want. Okay, so like this. And this is related to security. This is related to credentials, credential providers, users related. I told you, right, last time, whenever I opened dashboard, I used to see people earlier. Okay, that people will be done by from here itself. Users, you can add, create a user. For example, if you want to create a user called name Lokesh, password is Lokesh. Okay, confirm password Lokesh, full name Lokesh Kumar. Okay, email address so and so. Okay, I will create Lokesh DevOps 92. Okay, so I will create user. I will give permissions from here itself, same like IAM roles in AWS. So now, who is administrator? Admin is admin, but Lokesh Kumar is a simple user. You understood? If you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to see my views, you can see configure. Let me check. I have added one user, correct? So from here itself, if you want to go, just use gear icon. You can change your details, whatever details you want. You can change it from here itself. So I am going to Jenkins homepage, views, my views. Okay, here itself. Still, I expected people from, I can able to see users here in my views, but not there. That's okay. Huh? You understood? That's okay. And okay. So next, manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins is most important, guys. All will be there in that only. Okay, you have to know. You can learn a lot of things from there itself. Okay, next to system information, logs related. Okay, load statistics. So logs related, if you want to check, for example, you failed one job. Okay, you want to check logs. Okay, you can come here. Okay, Jenkins logs you will get here. See this? Okay, you will get logs here. Okay, you have to do settings, right? So next, so manage old data. Old data will be there. Okay, scrub configuration, scrub configuration files to remove. Okay, remains from old plugin earlier versions. If you want to delete, you can delete old data. Okay, next Jenkins CLI script related. This is customization tool actions. Okay, Jenkins CLI. If you want to use Jenkins CLI, so you have to do customization. So, but I'm not developer. We are not developers. Don't touch this. Okay. So script console. So what is Jenkins? How? So if you want to do modifications and changes in the Jenkins UI, you can also do it from here itself. But I'm not a developer, so I won't do that because I don't touch it. You understood? If you touch it, something went wrong, then it will be a problem. Prepare for shutdown. If you want to shut down Jenkins, you can shut down from here. After shutdown this, what will happen? Again, you have to log in. You understood? Reason. Prepare for shutdown. Stop executing new builds and so that your system can be eventually shut down safely. Okay. So whenever if it is new builds are there, you just stop that. After that only you can shut down because nothing will not disturb. That's what it is telling. Understood? And also if you want to shut down slash stop stop, you can use this. It should run like this. Stop. Start. It should work like this. Stop. Maybe not found, but it is. You can use this for local purpose. You try this, sure. Okay. You installed in local, right? So you can use that, right? Fine. No. So these are all just we have learned about how to create job, what is the manage Jenkins, what is views, what is build history, how to create job, what are the options are there in console output, failed output. Okay, names, last success, failure, and duration, how to build it, how many ways we have to build it, what is build queue and what is build executor status and all. You have seen all these things. Just I hope you have complete idea about Jenkins now. So next time onwards, let's see how we have to use this Jenkins to move forward. Okay, what is um, like cron jobs also, how to create, how to use cron jobs here. By using cron jobs, how to make it schedule. Okay, downstream and upstream, which is called as, what is downstream, what is upstream. So we will see what is downstream and upstream. So by using cron jobs, we will go one by one. So we will see all the options. Okay, we will try to use all the options, and also we are going to create a pipeline soon. Okay, one by one we will go, so you will get a clear picture idea, right? That's it about Jenkins class, Yashwant. So tomorrow we will connect again. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Oh yes, yes. So I used actually server. That is the reason you are getting. I'm getting like this. Hmm. Ah yes. No, no, no. Not like that. Not like that. So no, no, no. Yashwant, you. So while we are installing, you got one link, right? HTTP something. Lastly, before creating admin, so you saved, right? Okay, then we'll do one thing. So we'll connect and I'll show you. Okay, sure. Let's. Can you share your screen? Okay, I'll stop my stop screening here. I stopped it. You can share. Yeah. So what is this? Local host 8080. How why you are using this 8081? You have to use 8081. 81. Can you keep one? Yeah. Use admin. Use your thumb. Okay, you will get it. Enter. Click on it. You got it right? That's it. Don't forget. That's the reason you should maintain documentation, because you are going first time only. So until unless you get practice, until unless make it habituate, just try to maintain documentation. That will be very much useful when you are in a project also. Be careful. Maintain documentation properly. That's why I always insist you. Right? Okay, fine, guys. Thank you so much. We'll connect tomorrow. Yeah, Yashwant, you are trying to say something. No need, no need. That's okay. That's okay, no problem. Okay, maintain proper documentation for these two. Okay, as like Kubernetes. Okay, do practice continuously. So we will connect tomorrow. So until then, take care. Bye bye.